Dear children, I will also tell you how to make Meghalayan Khasi tribe headgear. As I had told you that how to make basket, and with their traditional dress they also wear this headgear. So for this you need a silver paper, or you can use silver foil, a card sheet, sellotape, scissors and fevicol. So let's start. First we will divide this A4 sheet into two halves about 3 inches broad, and we'll paste it horizontally. Now we will cover this band with silver sheet. We will put this band on silver sheet and apply some fevicol and fold it inside. So after covering the silver sheet, it will look like this. Now we will take this artificial flower stem and paste it with double-sided tape, or you can use sellotape. So on the left corner we will paste it like this, and after that we will turn it like this and staple it at the back side, or you can paste it with sellotape. As I am using sellotape here, so in this way we will make this headgear. So when you perform your art integrated activity, you will carry this basket and also wear this headgear. And as far as boys are concerned, they will not add this floral stem, they just make simple band of silver sheet, right? So after completing, your headgear will look like this.